I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Grab a picture. We're making an Ecto Cooler. It's based on the 1987 High-C Ecto Cooler. Let's make it. 3/4 cup tangerine juice. 3/4 cup orange juice. Tablespoon of countrytime pink lemonade. 2 tablespoons of tang. Stir until dissolved. 10 cups of water. Add a cup of sugar and stir until dissolved. Stir in 5 drops of food coloring. Add more if needed. Oh my. Look at that color. Fun. Oh, that brings back memories. And it quenches my thirst too. How come the Ghostbusters didn't make it very far on the Oregon Trail? Because they refused to cross streams.